Today's recipe is turkey Korean rice bowl. Okay, we're going to saute our ground turkey. Now you can use ground chicken, even ground beef if you like. We're just going to make sure that this is all crumbled up as we're sauteing it. And while we're doing this, you can mix up a bowl of sauce that we're going to add to the ground turkey. That consists of soya sauce, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, sesame oil, fish sauce, and red pepper flakes. We'll add that to the ground turkey and saute that for around 5 minutes. Now we're going to assemble our bowl. So we have some cooked rice. You can use white rice, basmati rice, jasmine rice, even brown rice. This recipe really doesn't take much time at all. I think the longest thing to cook is the rice. And you can set up an assembly line and everybody can just add what they choose to their bowls. Now we'll add our ground turkey. And you can use whatever vegetables you like. We're going to add some red cabbage that I had. And some shredded carrots. I sauteed some spinach in some sesame oil just until it was a bit wilted. Some radishes. Some spicy cucumbers that I had made earlier, and you can find that recipe on the link below. Then we'll just add some green onions. Look how colorful this bowl is. And some sesame seeds. And then we're just going to top it off with a little bit of sauce. I used a Kinder chicken dipping sauce, but you could use a spicy Korean sauce. Your choice. Enjoy. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.